Hello, my name is Laura Natalia Ariza Camacho. I am singer. I am from La Belleza Santander. I am 23 years old. I am policy expert. I am studying industrial engineer at SUNAT. And like La Belleza Santander, in my free time, I like just the sport. What are the main tourist displays in this town? The main tourist displays in the La Belleza Santander are some caves, the three friends, and waterfall. What is the tropical fruit in your city? The tropical fruit in mid city is the mute, corn cane, and roast meat. What are the main celebrities in your town? The main celebrity in my town famous being and was meant. What activity can your enjoy some? Anytime it may enjoy the nature and be beautiful is like. Thank you.